Welcome to this episode in our new series on pragmatics. In today's lesson, we look at small talk. Our focus is on one type of small talk that you can do with strangers. Although small talk is conversation about unimportant topics, it has a very important role in daily life. How small talk is done depends on culture and depends on place. In a big, busy city, there may be no time. But in a smaller city or town, people may think that you are rude if you don't chat. The main characteristics of small talk are non-controversial topics, not much information, harmonious relationships. Think of small talk as the oil that helps our social machinery to function. For instance, if you are having a haircut, you may be with your hairdresser for half an hour or longer. You have to say something. You want the hairdresser to like you and take care of your hair. And the hairdresser wants you to be happy and come back. Small talk helps this process. Let's look at an example of small talk from the Skipper's Pass drama series. Emma is walking in the forest and encounters a stranger, Sophie. Let's see what she says.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Sure is.
In English, the weather is the most popular and safest topic for small talk. You'll probably hear people say things like, "Lovely day."
Yeah, it's beautiful. A bit chilly, isn't it?
"Yeah, I'm freezing. But it's meant to be nice later."
Hope so.
"Looks like it's going to rain."
I hope so. My garden needs it.
"Yeah, mine too." Small talk like this can be used with a stranger or a friend. It sometimes leads to further talk about a new topic. Sometimes it just stops. Besides weather, there are other small talk topics, but these will depend on the situation and the relationship. In a supermarket, there will often be a greeting followed by some small talk, such as,
Hi, how are you today? Have you had a good week?
"Yeah, not too bad, thanks. It's nice and quiet this morning."
Yeah, it is. It was busy earlier though.
"I must have got lucky."
You did.
Small talk is very common in English. And remember, just because the topics are unimportant, it doesn't mean that the communication is unimportant. Small talk is a first step in developing deeper relationships. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can find more lessons on our Chasing Time English TV channel. We'll see you next time.